Welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about the types of artificial intelligence agents. So we have already discussed about agents and all in the last video. So now we are going to see what are the types of agents. So that agents are broadly classified into 5 categories based on the what amount of intelligence it can perceive from the environment and how capable the agent is, like how nicely it can perform the actions. So based on that, this category is made, and all these agents can improve their performance and generate better action over the time. Okay, the first type of agent is simple reflex agent. So from the term reflex itself, it is clear that it should perform the action in a spontaneously or immediately. So what is the meaning of reflex? Suppose you are walking and suddenly a ball comes towards your face. So what will be your immediate reaction? You will shut your eyes, right? So that is a reflex action. So similarly, whenever a situation arises, an agent should perform some action immediately without doing any calculation. That is what is meant by simple reflex agent. So these are the simplest of all the agents. These agents takes decision based on the current percepts. Okay, based on the current situation, it performs the actions. It does not have any percept history. It ignores the rest of the percept history, and the action should be done immediately. These agents only succeed in fully observable environment. Now, what do you mean by fully observable environment? Fully observable environment means the agent should know each and everything about the environment from where it is going to receive the percepts. That is, there should not be any unpredictable conditions arising. For example, a fully observable environment, if I need to give an example, the chess game, suppose the game of chess. So in the game of chess, there are how many squares? 8 by 8 squares. And what are the players in the games? Everything about the environment is known. How a king will perform, how a queen will perform, what are the steps of these king and queen. So everything is predictable. So that is a fully observable environment. Now, what do we mean by partially observable environment? Now, take for example another situation like a self-driving car. So, when a self-driving car is going on a road, it is unpredictable, like what will be the current traffic situation, like if someone is crossing the road suddenly, so it's unpredictable. So that is a partially observable environment. We know, we have little bit of knowledge about the environment, that whether I am going on a highway or it is a simple straight road. So all these things I'll be knowing, but it is partial information is there. So that is an example of partially observable environment. Now, the simple reflex agent, it works on the condition action rule. What is condition action rule? If this is the condition, you need to take this action. If this, then this. So which means you are going to map the current state to action. Now, for example, if the temperature is greater than 41 degrees centigrade, you are going to switch on the AC. So if temperature is greater than 41 degrees centigrade, switch on AC. Now we are not bothered about, right, whether some person is present in the room or not. If no one is present in the room, do we need to on the AC if it is more than 41 degrees centigrade? No. But that condition is not given. We are just bothered that if temperature is more than 41 degrees Celsius, we are going to switch on the AC. So this is about simple reflex agent. So this is in diagram. So this is the environment. So this is the agent. So it tries to get perceptions from the environment with the help of sensors. So with the help of sensors, it knows what the current world is like now. Then based on it, what actions I should do now, it does the actions using the condition action rules with the help of actuators or effectors, and this action is performed on the environment. So what are the drawbacks of this particular simple reflex agent? They have very limited intelligence. Obviously, they have limited intelligence because it has no history of it has no perception history, and it does not have any knowledge base. So they have limited intelligence. They do not have knowledge of non-perceptual parts of the current state. So if it is not able to perceive something, then it does not have knowledge about it. Then mostly too big to generate and too slow. Why too big? Because it is based on condition action rule. So for each and every situation, if you have to write so many condition action rules, and you need to store it also. So just imagine, for a complicated system, how many rules and you need to store, and how big it will be. And it is non-adaptive to changes in the environment because it works perfectly in a fully observable environment. So if it becomes some uncertainties is put into the environment, it doesn't know how to work. So these are the drawbacks of a simple reflex agent. Thank you.